Is it possible that transplanted organs carry fragments of their donors' identities? Let's explore the most intriguing stories and the phenomenon of cellular memory that challenge our understanding of the human being. In the fascinating world of modern medicine, there is a mystery that defies our understanding: cellular memory. Beyond traditional biology, there are surprising cases suggesting that transplanted organs may harbor echoes of their donors' lives, transmitting memories, emotions, and even fragments of identity to their new recipients. Memories that cross the barrier of death. Some transplant patients report vivid dreams and memories that do not belong to their own lives. Dreams of a happy childhood in unknown places, lost loves, and passions for activities they never previously cared about. How is it possible that these memories, so vivid and detailed, belong to someone else? A possible answer lies in cellular memory. This idea, although not yet proven, suggests that the cells of an organ, especially the heart and brain, may contain information about the life and experiences of the donor. Claire Sylvia, a heart with memories. In the world of organ transplants, the case of Claire Sylvia stands out as one of the most intriguing and documented in relation to cellular memory. Claire, a 38-year-old dancer, suffered from a severe heart disease that brought her to the brink of death. In 1999, her life radically changed when she received a heart transplant from a 23-year-old named Denise at Yale New Haven Hospital in Connecticut. What happened after the surgery defied all logic and scientific explanation. Claire began to experience vivid and detailed dreams that did not belong to her own life. She dreamt of Denise's childhood, her family and friends, her passions and dreams. These dreams were so intense and realistic that Claire began to feel a deep connection with Denise. She felt she knew her, could feel her emotions, and understand her thoughts. Claire Sylvia documented these experiences in her book, A Change of Heart. After the surgery, her tastes changed radically. She developed a liking for beer, chicken wings, and green peppers. All these sudden changes in her personality and even her way of dancing made her think that she had received something more than just a bunch of cells from her donor. Claire's curiosity led her to investigate Denise's life. She discovered that the young woman was a talented dancer with a cheerful and extroverted personality, very similar to what she described in her dreams. The case of Claire Sylvia was documented by Dr. David Pearl, a renowned cardiologist who has studied cellular memory for years. Dr. Pearl interviewed Claire numerous times and subjected her to psychological tests that confirmed the truth of her experiences. Claire Sylvia's story is fascinating and also an important contribution to the research on cellular memory. Her case, along with others like it, suggests that transplanted organs may harbor information about the donor's life, challenging our understanding of biology and identity. Do transplanted organs carry an intangible legacy? How could cells retain such information? Some researchers believe that transplanted organs can act as autonomous brains. The presence of nerve cells in each organ connected to the body's nervous system could allow the storage and transfer of memories to the transplant recipient. MicroRNAs, molecules that regulate gene expression, could influence which genes are turned on or off in cells. This raises the question, could they also carry memories? If so, each transplanted organ could carry fragments of the donor's life and experiences. Another deeply unsettling theory centers on epigenetics, how life experiences and environmental factors can alter gene expression without changing the DNA. These epigenetic marks can be transferred during a transplant, carrying a memory of the donor's experiences. Imagine that the cells of a transplanted heart could influence the recipient, loaded with fragments of the donor's experiences. Could this biological mystery mean we carry a part of another life within us? Doctors like Paul Pearsall from the University of Honolulu in Hawaii, Gary Schwartz, and Linda Rusek from the University of Arizona have examined cases where transplant recipients reported surprising changes in their tastes and behaviors. Patients experienced alterations in their preferences for food, music, art, and even their sexual and professional orientation, despite knowing nothing about their donors' lives. Cardiac surgeon Josep M. Carraups, who performed the first heart transplant in Spain, suggests that the heart being the most charismatic and fascinating organ of the human being, is very likely to generate its own feelings and emotions, whose transmitter is the brain. This perspective suggests that a heart transplant could transfer memories and sensations from the donor to the recipient. Caralps argues that every cell has our DNA and can store memory and energy, just as objects in intimate contact with us can be transmitters of reminiscences of those who use them. While the scientific community has not reached a consensus on this theory, there is no shortage of voices defending this possibility. Although a suitable explanatory model is not yet available, the manifestation of these experiences cannot be denied. The theories of Caralps and others suggest that organ transplants could be carrying something more than vital tissue. They could be transferring fragments of identity. Research on cellular memory is in its early stages, but its potential is immense. Understanding this phenomenon could transform our view of organ transplants, improve recipients' well-being, and open new avenues for treating mental and neurological diseases. This mystery challenges our understanding of biology and identity, inviting us to explore beyond the known limits of science. What secrets still await us in the fascinating world of cellular memory? It is a journey into the unknown, a challenge to our perception of the human being, and a reminder that life, in its infinite forms, still holds mysteries we cannot even imagine.